Hey guys, the girl's about to show you how I did these lash extension. Listen to me. You guys could not tell me that I didn't go to get my lashes done by a lash technician. Okay, now a little backstory for those of you who do not know. I went to do my lashes some time ago. I got a very harsh reaction. My eyes were swollen and all. Had to go to the doctor and she said that I should not go back do my lashes again. It's like I'm kind of reactive to the glue that they use, and so I am very happy that I have found a pretty decent alternative. So here we go. I'm gonna be showing you how I did these lashes. Okay, now let's get started. This is the lash kit that I'm showing you. It was just a random kit that I bought on Amazon, and these are the items that comes with the package. The lashes, of course, they have from I think 9 up to 16. That's the length of the lashes. It comes with the tweezer. It also comes with the bond and the seal. Now later in the video I'm going to be explaining to you why we use the bond and why we use the seal. All right, so let's get into the video right now. I start off with clean lashes, wash my face, wash my lashes properly, because oil and other residue, like if you wear strip lashes, glue from those will kind of make it difficult for these lashes to adhere to your lashes and make it difficult for the bond to work. Now this is me opening the package again, and I am now applying the bond. Okay, so firstly I did like comb my lashes with my tweezer, with my spoolie, and then I go ahead with the bond from the package and apply it to the lash, because that's what the lash is going to adhere to. All right, so I actually did a few pieces first. Like, it was kind of difficult for me, guys. I'm gonna be honest, it was difficult at first putting the lashes on, because that bond, it is so very sticky. My lashes were sticking to my eyelid a lot, and so I did a couple first, but I didn't put it on camera because, as I said, it was sticking. So firstly you apply your bond, and then you pick your lash up with the tweezer. It's recommended that you pick the lash up from the base, because if you pull it from the tip of the lash, then you might tear the lashes out. But just look at how beautiful that looks, guys. Also, I did my, like, a little off topic, but I did my brows on this very same day. I also did a tutorial, so look out for that as well. My brows were on point. But back to the video, I am applying more bond to the lash, and I just pick the lash up from the container and put them onto my lash, and that is it. Lash extension in just 3 steps. All right, this is me giving you guys a close-up of when the lash was just sticking onto my eyelid, and me trying my best to get the lash off of my eyelid using the tweezer that comes with the package. All right, but it's very simple and very easy to do. As I said, you go ahead, you put the lash on, you put the bond on your lashes, you pick the lash up and you put the lash on. Excuse me, you put the lash on, like the tip of the lash on the base, like the base of the eyelid. All right, it can even, like, when you apply the bond onto the lash, the glue would clearly be on the lash, so the lash even sticks onto your natural lash. But this is me now applying the sealer, and this helps to hold the lash in place and there for some time, rather than just having the bond. I guess the lash would fall off quicker than if you have used the bond. So I go ahead and apply the seal, and I use my fingertips to press the lashes together. You can do that, or you can use a tweezer, but this is the final look. And I am also, that video that I did at the front was me right now at the point of editing, because I wanted to give you a real life view of how how the lashes look. Sorry, I did them just yesterday, and this is what they look like. I'm about to insert a video right here. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.